What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new day with a brand new content. So, by the way, my name is Adworkmedia and I hope you have subscribed to my channel too, so that you will be notified about my upcoming videos. So, today in this video tutorial, I'm going to make a deep dive on Adworkmedia, which is one of a pretty good affiliate network, and they have good commission rate for publishers, and they approve application pretty good, and they attend to complaints very quick. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you people how you can create setup and also start working as a publisher on this Adworkmedia. So do follow me on this video. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can create, set up and start working as a publisher and others start making money on this Adworkmedia. And do like and subscribe to my channel, that is if you found out this video really interesting. So let's get it done. This is the Adworkmedia affiliate network. So the first thing you need to do right now is to go ahead and create a free account on this Adworkmedia. There are a lot of campaigns that are available on this Adworkmedia that you can promote. So I'm going to show you how you can create and also set up your account in order to start working as a publisher on this Adworkmedia. So you go and click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will redirect you to the sign up page. So on this sign up page, you click on sign up. If you click on sign up, you put in your name, you put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your company name, that is the company that you work with. It is optional. You put your address, you put your city, your zip code, your state, your country, your phone number, and you put in your Skype address here. So the essence of putting the Skype address is to enable the account manager to contact you on Skype to make some inquiry. If you need some advice or you have a complaint, you can contact the account manager on Skype. So you click on your promotion style, which type of promotion you intend to do. Is it social promotion? Is it content local? Is it website you intend to promote on your website? Is it email marketing? So you select the one that you are interested in. Then you click incentive traffic. That is, do you need to convince people in order to buy your product? So you click on yes. If you didn't intend to convince people, you click on no. So you go to your main website, that is the URL of your profile, your Twitter profile or your Facebook profile. You go and copy the URL there and paste it here on this main website. And if you don't have, you put not applicable. So you tell them where you find them, where did you hear about them, and you state the current affiliate network that you work with. Is it my lead? Is it Max Bounty? Is it CPA Grip? Is it Warrior Plus? You state the current network that you work with, because if you didn't state this current network that you work with, you can't be approved. So here you write the promotion method. How do you intend to promote their products? Then you submit the application. So let me quickly go to my dashboard and show you how their offers are. There are a lot of offers that are available for you to promote in your country. So let me go to my dashboard and show you how their offers are. So this is my dashboard, and there are lots of offers that are available to promote on this Adworkmedia, but you have to check to see which offer is available for you to promote in your country. There are a lot of offers that are available for you to promote in your country and with high commission. So you go to campaign. If you want to check the list of offers that you can apply, you click on campaign, and there are a lot of campaigns available for you to promote in your country. So all these are the campaigns available online that a person can promote on this Adworkmedia website. So you have to check to see which campaign is available for you to promote in your country. So all these are the campaigns that a person can promote. You have to check to see which campaign is available for you to promote in your country. You can go ahead and search the campaign that is available for you to promote in your country by clicking on these all countries. So once you click on all countries, you go to your country and search for the offers that are available for you to promote in your own country. Let's assume in Nigeria. So you search for the offer that is available for you to promote in your country. After you click on your country, then you click on filter campaigns. So once you click on filter campaign, it will show you the available offer that you can promote in your country. So all this is the offer that you can promote in your country. There are lots of offers that you can promote in your country. So there are high commission rate for advertisers. So usually offers that you can direct sell pay more than offers that person will just sign up through you. So assuming you generate a sale, you can earn 30, 40, 50, even more than that. So for you to generate a sale quickly, you need to at least promote that offer on your Facebook page. So if you don't have a Facebook page, it's advisable for you to get a Facebook page so that you can promote your offer on your Facebook page. So normally, if you can pay Facebook to promote your products, you can generate a sale very quickly. So assuming you promote your product, you will earn huge amount of money from that offer. So the offers are loading. So all these are the available offers that person can promote. So there are a lot of offers available online for you to for person to promote, but you have to be careful and check which offer is available for you to promote in your own country. So all these are the offers available. So uh, so far as you can generate a sale, you can earn 50 or more than that percent. So all this offer, any person that sign up or install an app, you get some percentage from it. you will earn some percentage from it. So all these are the offers that are available to promote, but you have to check whether the offer is meant for you to promote in your own country. And you can earn 5% from your referral. So any person that you refer to this Adworkmedia, you earn 5% from his earning. So as you can see, it's pretty much okay working with this Adworkmedia. And I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That is if you find out this video very interesting. Thank you till we see in my next video, and goodbye.